We're not just in the hotel business, we're in the entertainment business. Hello, I'm standing here in the lobby of the Casa Hotel. My name is Richard Kessler. I'm the Chairman and CEO of the Kessler Collection of Hotels. The Casa Hotel was built in 1888 and has had several lives. It was closed during the Depression. It was then turned into the county courthouse. We bought it, did this major renovation, restored it back to its original life. And today, it is probably the hub of activity here in downtown San Agustin, Florida. I thought every iconic old hotel, like the Casa Monica, certainly needs an antique car. This is a 1929 Ford. It's really a lot of fun. It adds to the mystique and to the romance of the Casa Monica Hotel. Many brides and other special guests want rides, which we certainly give them a little tour of the downtown historic San Agustin. Here in the Grand Bohemian Gallery of the Casa Monica Hotel is something that you will not see in any other gallery. And that is the beautiful porcelain pieces that are handmade in China. I first was introduced to these through a friend of mine in Orlando, met the dealer, looked at the variety that we could buy, and from that chose the ones that I particularly like. These are all handmade porcelain, and I would encourage you to look at these closely and add one to your collection. Sometimes when you're renovating old buildings, it's difficult to make a decision. What do you leave exposed and what do you have to cover up from a functional point of view? We wanted to leave this little window right here so people could actually look and see and touch the old structure that was here. Obviously, this is all hand chiseled. The old bolts that obviously contained and fastened the door, etc. So this is a little glimpse into the history of the construction. When here at the Casa Monica, there's one thing you don't want to miss, and that is the restaurant. We have a wonderful chef and wonderful food program. The food is delicious. Fresh seafood, great steaks, so many good, pleasant things to enjoy in food and beverage here at the Casa Monica Hotel. The spa here is a very, very relaxing place. Colors are beautiful. The people and our team that run it are just the best. You will not find a more beautiful spa in the Southeast. Here at the Casa Monica, there are so many experiences, and I encourage you to enjoy and take in every one of those. Enjoy the food, the beverage, in the evenings, the bar, live music. So much stuff is going on here that makes it a huge experience. Come ready to have a great time. I don't care how much time you plan to stay, double it.